Good morning, student. I am Shailesh Kumar. Today's topic is multiplication and division of integer. We have studied integers in our last lecture. Now we are very much familiar with the integers. Integers are of two types. One are positive integer and other are negative integers. As per the number line, we know the concept that 0 is the central value and the positive one on the right hand side of the 0 and the negative one are on the left hand side of the 0. But the today topic is multiplication and division of integer. Now see how we will multiply the integers. Now it means to say that we have two type of integer, one are positive integer and one are negative integer. Then when we multiply positive with negative integer, then what will be the answer? If we multiply the positive integer with the positive one, then what will be the answer? If we multiply the negative one to the 0, then what will be the answer? Now all these type of questions we will do in the form of sums so that we can get the idea of the integer multiplication and division also. So first of all, I will tell you that if you multiply any positive number, any positive integer so many times, the answer will always be in positive. So there is no problem about the positive integers. The problem arises when the negative integers come in the multiplication. So for that you have to keep in mind one thing. If in the sum of multiplication the negative integer is occurring even times, then your answer will be always in positive manner. But if in the sum of multiplication the negative integer or the negative symbol is coming odd time, then your answer will be in negative manner. See how. If you multiply minus symbol with minus symbol, then your answer will be in positive one. Okay, but if you multiply positive with positive, then your answer will also be positive. But only in this case, when you multiply positive one with negative one, then your answer will be negative. Okay, or when you multiply a negative one with a positive one, then your answer will be negative. Clear? This is the case of multiplication, and same is here in the division. If there is one symbol in the division of the negative integer, then their answer will be in negative. If there are two symbol of integer or two symbol of negatives are there, then your answer will be in positive. Clear? So if minus divided by a positive, then your answer will be negative. If positive divided by positive, then your answer will be plus. And if negative integer divided by negative, then your answer will always positive. Clear? The same rule and the same pattern will come to know in the form of question when we are going to solve these. Now, multiplication. There are some sums and we will solve these sums and come to idea of the multiplication. Here this is 5 and this is 7. These are both positive integer. Therefore positive multiply positive, that is answer is in positive. Therefore I will write 35. Clear? Because 5 multiply 7, 35. And positive into positive, that is positive. As per this rule, positive into positive, that is positive into positive, that is positive. Clear? Now here in this multiplication, how many times the multiplication minus symbol is coming? 2 times. Yeah, remember, even times. Therefore answer is plus, and 5 multiply 7, 35. This is the answer. Here 5 and 7, this is positive and this is negative. So negative symbol in the multiplication is coming only one time. It means odd time. Therefore answer is minus and 35. Here also minus symbol is coming one time, that is odd. So your answer will be in minus. Clear? Now the sum is there. 1, 2, 3. The negative is coming how many times? 3 times. Therefore your answer will be in minus, and you will multiply the numerical value. 2 multiply 3, 6. 6 multiply 4, that is 24. But in this question, how many times the negative symbol is coming there? 2 times. It means even times. So your answer will be in positive, and 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, that is again 24. In this part, how many times the negative symbol is getting multiplied? 2 times. It means even times. Therefore your answer will be in plus, and this is 24. Similarly this 1, 2, 3. How many times the minus symbol is coming in the multiplication sum? 3 times. It means odd times. Therefore your answer will be in minus, and 3 multiply 2 6, 6 multiply 1 6, and 6 multiply 6, that is 36. Here how many times the minus symbol is coming in this multiplication sum? 4 times. 4 times means even times. Therefore your answer will be in positive 1. 6 multiply 3 18, 18 multiply 2 36, 36 multiply 1, that is 36. Clear? Now in this sum you need not to calculate or multiplication anything, because a 0 is present here. If you multiply anything with 0, then there is no question of any other answer. You can write direct answer 0, and 0 is not positive nor negative. Clear? Now this was the concept of multiplication. Now we will discuss for the division. The same pattern is for the division here. How many negative symbol are there? Only one. If you divide 6 with 2, then you will get answer 3. Therefore, but the symbol is here, minus symbol is only one time. One time in odd time. Therefore you will write minus. This is my answer. Again 8 divided by 4, 4 minus 4. How many time negative symbol is coming there? Only one time. Therefore answer will be on negative. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Okay. Here minus 57 divided by minus 19. How many times the negative symbol is coming there? 2 times. Therefore your answer will be in plus. 57 divided by 9, that is 3. Now in this question we will solve the bracket first. 17 divided. Now minus 6 plus 5. Yesterday we have learnt that how we will solve this. This is negative and this is positive. Therefore there will be subtraction. 6 minus 5 1, but the numerical value of 6 is greater, so the answer will be minus 1. Now here 17 will be divided by 1. That is, the answer is 17. But how many times the negative is coming there? Only one time. Therefore I will write minus in the answer. Same here. 18 plus into minus, minus 18 divided by minus 20. No, this is 0, and 0 divided by minus 20. Same as in the multiplication sum. If 0 is divided by anything, the answer is directly 0. In this question 0 is divided by minus 5, so no need of thinking here. The answer is 0. Clear? This is the all division process over there.